The question of whether sexual orientation is determined solely by genetics or influenced by environmental factors is complex and not yet fully understood. Researchers believe that a combination of genetic, hormonal, and environmental factors likely contribute to the development of sexual orientation. While no single gene has been identified as the sole determinant of sexual orientation, studies have suggested that genetic factors may play a role. Several studies conducted on twins, for example, have found a higher concordance rate for sexual orientation among identical twins compared to fraternal twins. This indicates that genetics may contribute to a predisposition for certain sexual orientations. However, it's important to note that sexual orientation is not simply a result of genetics. Environmental factors, such as social and cultural influences, upbringing, and personal experiences, are also thought to contribute to the development of sexual orientation. These factors can shape an individual's understanding of their own sexuality and the expression of their sexual orientation. Overall, the prevailing scientific consensus is that sexual orientation is a complex interplay of genetic, hormonal, and environmental factors. It is likely influenced by a combination of these factors, rather than being determined by a single gene or solely by the environment. However, more research is needed to fully understand the intricacies of sexual orientation development.